Welcome to another delicious recipe from the Saraswat kitchen.
For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Peel the ridges of 2 to 3 gourds. Add 2 tablespoons cooking oil into a pan. Once the oil turns hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, once the onion turns pink, add 2 teaspoon coarsely ground chili garlic paste. Fry the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup coarsely ground roasted groundnuts. One-quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Next, add the medium-sized chopped ridges. Top it with half cup grated coconut. Add salt to taste. Sprinkle some water onto the mixture. Pour water over the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Delicious ridge gourd chutney is ready to serve. We really hope you enjoyed today's video. To watch more interesting recipes, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like.